What's up, guys? I'm making fondant potatoes. I'm making a coca bean. It's in the oven, and now I'm gonna accompany it with some fondant potatoes. This is these potatoes have a crispy top, and then kind of like a creamy middle right here, and they go in. You'll see that. Check this out. We gotta form them now. The way the fondant potatoes are formed, like this. I saw these for the first time on Food Wishes on that channel. I made them, and it's delicious. Alright, I'm gonna show you how this one goes, and then I'll do the rest, guys. I just want you to see this real quick, so you can see how these form. Make sure they stand. All right, guys. Okay, we trim that. This is a real fancy dish, but it's so simple to make. Like Chef Jean-Pierre says, a child could do this. Okay, and then we cut them. Excuse the background noise, guys. Make sure they stand just like that, guys. Try to get them as even as possible. All right, and I'm gonna do the rest. They should have called the scallop potatoes because they look like scallops. They're called fondant potatoes, like a European. I forgot what country they said they do this a lot in, but I know somewhere in Europe. Right, try to get them down the middle. Yeah, I'll trim this a little bit. Even as possible. That's fine. So what I'm doing now is I'm soaking the starch out for like 10 minutes right there. Then I'm gonna pat it dry, and then I'm throw it on a skillet. All right. Put the water out. Take some of the starch out. Ooh. Let me dry this up. Dry. This is dry. Okay, we're gonna salt it. Some sea salt. pepper. Okay. Throw some garlic, thyme, rosemary oil in here in the pan. Heat up. We're gonna get a crisp skin on the top and the bottom. I'm gonna throw this in the oven. I'm gonna check it, guys. Alright, it's getting there. Alright, just getting some of this oil out a little bit. We're gonna add some thyme. Be careful, they're done. Add butter. Garlic right there. A little more butter. Baste this, guys. You guys trust me, you guys are gonna love this one. Chicken stock. I would have had a plate that's safe to put in the oven. I would have just threw this in a pan. Do this here. Throw it in the oven. About 20 minutes. 15 to 20. Pour this over. It's gonna cook in that. So this part's gonna be crunchy. The middle's gonna be creamy. The bottom's gonna be crunchy as well. Oh, this is hot right here. Nice and crispy on the top, creamy in the middle.